Alright guys, what's up? This video is kind of flip side of the last one, just looking at how we transition from the short to the long run. In this case, we're talking about a firm that is making negative economic profits or taking losses. So, very similar. What's happened in our industry supply curve is something has occurred to shift demand to the left, causing the price to decline. So whatever reason that is, consumers aren't as interested, their expectations, their tastes have changed, their income has fallen, the number of consumers, whatever the reason is, the demand curve has shifted to the left, causing the price to fall. Now, how does that affect the individual firm within the perfectly competitive industry? So, initially the price was at P1. Yeah, okay, sorry, just making sure it's right. Initially the price was at P1, and so we had the price is equal to the minimum ATC. But now that the price has fallen, the price is at this red bar, demand curve is at P2 currently. So what does this mean for our firm? Well, now that the price is less than ATC, we know that our firm is making losses in the short run. And the area of the losses is this area between the two bullet points here by the quantity. All right, so this long skinny rectangle, that is our quantity of losses that the firm is taking on. But what's going to happen? Well, I need a blue marker. Just kidding. All right, actually I didn't, I needed a red. Okay, so firms, once they're taking these losses, in the long run, once they have the chance to make new choices, some of them are going to get out because they don't want to make losses forever. So some firms will exit the industry in the long run. Firms taking losses, some will exit. When those firms exit, what's going to happen? The supply curve is going to shift to the left over here, and I really didn't leave myself a whole lot of room, but we're going to be left with something like that. Supply curve shifting to the left, and we're going to be very generous with how I drew this, and we're going to show that, boom, right there, we have our new intersection, and the price has returned to the original price. So we were at P1 initially, demand shifted left, caused us to drop to P2. Now supply shifts left, causing us to return to P1. So we do the same thing over here. We were at P1, then P2 because of the demand shift. At P2, firms were making losses, so some firms exit, causing the price to return back up to P1. So in the long run, we end up where our demand curve is shifted upwards. And we are here at demand at this point where our price and minimum ATC are once again equal to each other. All right, till next time, this has been a La Money production.